Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. Here is English with Leo and Maya YouTube channel. My name is Maya.
And I'm Leo. Hello, hello. How are you today?
We hope you're doing great. Today we have a very special topic for you.
Yes, today we will talk about how to train your brain to speak in English.
That's right. Many students ask us, Maya, Leo, how can I think in English? Why do I always translate in my head?
Great question. Today we will give you easy tips and practice together.
Before we start, if this is your first time here, welcome! Please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, hit that subscribe button. And if you like this podcast, give us a thumbs up.
Okay, Leo, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's start.
So, Leo, what does it mean to think in English?
Good question, Maya. It means you don't translate anymore.
Right. When you think in English, you use English directly, no translation.
For example, when I see a dog, I think dog. I don't think my language first, then translate to dog.
Exactly. Your brain says dog automatically, fast.
But Maya, for beginners, this is hard.
Yes, it's hard at first, but today we will teach you easy steps to train your brain.
Let's learn together.
Okay, tip number 1, start with simple words.
Simple words, like what, Maya?
Like things around you, in your room, in your house.
Ah, so I can look at my chair and say chair.
Yes, look at your table and say table.
Look at my phone and say phone.
Perfect. You can do this every day. Look around and name things in English.
So I look at the window, I say window.
Exactly. Let's practice together now.
Okay, I say a thing, you repeat. Ready?
Ready.
Door.
Door.
Lamp.
Lamp.
Bed.
Bed.
Great! Now, listeners, it's your turn. Look around you right now.
What do you see? Say it in English. Say it out loud.
Maybe you see a cup, maybe a book, maybe a pen.
Say the words. This is how you start training your brain.
Every day, practice this, just 5 minutes a day.
Yes, small steps are important.
Okay, tip number 2. This one is my favorite.
What is it, Leo?
Talk to yourself in English.
Ooh, I love this one too, but some people think it's strange.
It's not strange, it's very useful.
How do you do it, Leo?
Easy. When I do things during the day, I describe my actions in English.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. For example, in the morning, I wake up. I say, I am waking up.
Nice.
Then I go to the bathroom. I say, I am brushing my teeth.
So you describe everything you do.
Exactly. I am making coffee. I am drinking water. I am getting dressed.
This is so helpful. You practice English while you live your normal life.
Yes, you don't need a teacher. You don't need a partner. You are your own teacher.
Let's practice together. I will describe my morning routine. Listen.
Okay.
I wake up. I open my eyes, I stretch my arms, I get out of bed.
Good. Continue.
I go to the kitchen, I turn on the coffee machine, I make breakfast.
Perfect. See? So easy.
Now you try, Leo. Describe your actions right now.
Okay. I am sitting on a chair. I am holding a microphone. I am talking to Maya. I am smiling.
Great job.
Listeners, please try this at home. Talk to yourself in English.
Don't be shy. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay.
Mistakes are how we learn. Okay, tip number 3 is very important.
What is it?
Stop translating. Start associating.
What does associating mean?
Good question. Associate means to connect things.
Ah, so connect English words with pictures or feelings, not with translation.
Exactly. Let me explain.
Okay.
When you learn the word happy, don't translate it to your language.
Right.
Instead, think about a memory when you felt happy. Maybe your birthday, maybe a vacation.
Oh, so happy equals good feeling, smiling, birthday.
Yes, you connect the word with the emotion and the image.
I understand. So for dog, I don't translate. I think of a real dog. I imagine a dog.
Perfect. You see a dog in your mind.
This is smart. Our brain remembers pictures better than translations.
Exactly. Let's practice a few words together.
Okay, I say a word and you imagine it. Don't translate.
Ready.
Apple.
Apple. I imagine a red apple. Sweet. Delicious.
Good. Rain.
Rain. I imagine water falling. Clouds. Umbrella.
Perfect. Tired.
Tired. I imagine yawning, closing my eyes, lying down.
Excellent. See how easy it is?
Listeners, practice this. When you learn a new word, make a picture in your mind.
No translation, just pictures and feelings. Now, let's hear a short story.
This is a story about our friend Anna. She is learning English.
Anna had a problem. She always translated everything in her head.
When someone said, "How are you?" Anna thought in her language first, then answered in English.
It took a long time. She spoke very slowly.
One day, Anna decided to change. She wanted to think in English.
So what did she do?
First, she started labeling things in her house.
Labeling? What's that?
She put small sticky notes on objects. On the door, she wrote door. On the table, she wrote table.
Smart.
Every day, she looked at these labels and said the words out loud.
Good practice.
Then, Anna started talking to herself in English.
In the shower, she said, I am washing my hair. The water is warm. I am using shampoo.
Exactly. And when she cooked, she said, I am cutting the vegetables. I am frying the egg.
After 2 months, something amazing happened.
What happened?
Anna started thinking in English automatically, without trying.
Wow. When someone asked, "How are you?" she answered immediately, "I'm good, thanks."
No translation, no delay.
Anna was so happy. She said, "My brain finally speaks English."
This can happen to you too, listeners.
Just practice every day. Be patient.
Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, we learned 3 important tips.
Tip number 1, start with simple words. Look around and name things in English.
Tip number 2, talk to yourself in English. Describe your actions every day.
Tip number 3, stop translating, start associating. Connect words with pictures and feelings.
These 3 tips will train your brain to think in English.
Let's practice some useful phrases together. Repeat after me.
Okay?
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I practice every day.
I practice every day.
I can think in English.
I can think in English.
Great! Now, listeners, repeat these sentences out loud.
Don't be shy. Speaking is very important.
Even if you're alone, speak. Your brain needs to hear English.
Maya, I have one more bonus tip.
Oh, what is it?
Surround yourself with English.
Yes, this is so important.
What does surround mean?
Surround means to put things all around you.
So watch English videos, listen to English music, read English books.
Change your phone language to English.
Yes, when you wake up and check your phone, everything is in English.
Your brain will get used to English.
Also, listen to podcasts like this one.
Yes, listen to us every day.
The more English you see and hear, the easier it becomes to think in English.
You train your brain like you train your body at the gym.
Exactly. every day, little by little.
Okay, everyone, we are near the end of today's podcast.
Thank you so much for listening.
We hope you learned something useful today.
Remember, you can think in English. You just need to practice.
Start today. Start small. Talk to yourself, label things, make pictures in your mind.
And most importantly, don't give up.
Learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself.
Now, before we finish, it's time for our question of the day.
Yes, today's question is,
What is one thing you do every morning? Tell us in English.
for example, I wake up and drink coffee.
I wake up and check my phone.
Write your answer in the comments below. We want to hear from you.
And if you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Hit the notification bell so you never miss our new podcasts.
Share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for being here.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember,
You can do this. See you next time. Bye-bye.
bye-bye.